press the volume up button and power button simultaneously to boot into recovery. Hence there is no advanced restart button in this ROM. Use this method. Once the Poco logo appears, remove the power button finger and continuously press the volume up button. And this is how the latest TW recovery available and how to boot into recovery. And in order to flash the ROM, you need to go into wipe here and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache data and swipe here to wipe, and later go into install and select the storage. Here I am selecting micro SD card wherever you downloaded the file, and there clearly mentioned that, as you can see in the ArrowOS flashing guide, they have mentioned required use firmware from 12.5.4 EEA. They have clearly mentioned, so I am flashing the same firmware here. As you can see, I have here Surya EEA Global 12.5.4. This firmware you need to be flashed. I will be giving the firmware link in the description. Check out. If you already have it, then fine. Later again go into same wherever you downloaded the folders and select here the ArrowOS. This is the latest update. As you can see, this is the latest build available for Poco X3, the ArrowOS 12 with 2021 1.5 security patch, and the build date is January 23. As you can see, the ROM has been flashed. Now again go into wipe and select here format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Now go into reboot and press the system. Here we go, we booting into ArrowOS official for Poco X3, the latest build with January 2022 security patch. And don't forget to flash the EEA firmware as they mentioned. Check out again the flashing guide if you forgot or if you don't understand, watch it again. And this is how the ArrowOS logo appeared. Let's begin the video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMFX YouTube channel, and this is the ArrowOS version 12 GApps variant for the kernel, or you can use for Surya also, with latest security patch 5th January 2022, and the kernel used here is 4.14.262 Arrow kernel, customized kernel, and this is the January 23 latest build you can see here with Android version 12, as you can see. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can check out here. The maximum is 108 and average is 106 and minimum is 95.564, and no CPU thermal throttling detected. Good sign, but the numbers are low. What's actually going on in the ArrowOS? Let's see. First I will show you the 3D benchmark results. Here looking like into the my results, as you can see, 815 and average frame per second 4.90 and 14% versus this model, and you can check out some of the graphs here. And the battery is 90 to 90 and 36 degrees to 36, and frames were increased from 3 to 8. All looking good, guys. The 815 is also nearer to 1000. But if I go into Geekbench scores, first time I run this, and the single score is 377 and multi score is 1184. Hey, what happened to this Poco X3, I thought. And the kernel also, as you can see, Linux 4.14.262 Arrow kernel only. And again I run the score, again it's the same score, 379 single score, and multi score is 1174. Here the problem occurs, and also while opening this app also you've seen that it is a little bit late compared to other ROMs. But anyhow, let's see the BGM also, everything also in this video. But this is just the scores what I have seen. It's the lowest in my channel for this Poco X3 particularly. Let's see the speed test here. As you can see, I have here like 100 Mbps plan. It's pulling up to 90 to 95, which is fine here. Even with mobile data also it's working fine. As you can see, I am using Geo mobile data also, it's fine. Carrier aggregation also working good. And in this the quick settings panel you get, and this how the panel you will get. Dark theme, sync, location, mic access, camera access, all are working fine. If you want to add something, there are some options like Dirac sound settings, HBM mode and CABC mode are included. If I come back and let me show you the DRM info in this ROM, you'll get level 1 certification, which is not a problem to watch HD content in OTT applications. And coming to gallery is pre-installed here. And coming to camera applications, you get Google Go camera as pre-installed camera. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports, not a problem for that. But this is how the camera application used here. And coming to safety net status, fortunately it get passed such that you can use all the OTT application and WhatsApp, all are going to work here in this ROM. And this is how the home screen and all home settings you get like this. As you can see, general, there are plenty of options here. You can choose the accent color from here. Auto adaptive icons are also given. Icon pack you can choose, icon shape, font also you can change here. Some of them are pre-installed, not some, plenty are given, just an A, as you can see, so many are given. There's under the hood, there are so many options. You can change the theme here. From here itself you can go to dark theme, and accent color picker is like you need to go into wallpapers, or if you want you can choose the presets from here and choose the accent color. Let me go back again, home settings, and in general settings, these are the settings what we have seen. And into the home screen you get these kind of options like app icon to the home screen. You can add the app to home screen and scroll wallpaper, double tap to sleep, dark the status bar if you want, and home screen grid also you can choose. There is little bit of customization has been added in this ROM, that's really good from my side. And how you guys feel about this ArrowOS customization, do comment down in the comment section below. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like this. And feed you can enable, at a glance widget enable, status bar, top shadow, icon size you can increase, you can show or disable the labels here, label size also increasable. And coming to dock settings, you get just search bar and accent color here, you can apply that also. And corner areas and dock icons you can adjust the length. And coming into app drawer, here also plenty of options you can see here. Background opacity you can adjust from here, you can keep a search bar and automatically show keyboard, those options are also included. Fuji search, automatically show keyboard, and app drawer column height, row height, icon size, show label, and label size also increase. And folders also you can adjust here, maximum folder rows and columns you can adjust from here. In recent also there are two options like all button at bottom and corner radius. If you are saying the brightness is going dim and dark by itself, I am not turning any light here on or off, but that's how auto brightness calibration is poor little bit compared to any other ROMs, that's I noticed. And this is the Lawnchair tool as a home screen, Lawnchair has been used. And coming to dialer here, you get, let's see, you will get direct video call feature. Let's see whether call recording is available or not. Yeah, there is a call recording option. It's like MIUI ROM with Google dialer like this, it will be notified to other person that you are recording the call. That kind of dialer has been installed here. Let's see whether widgets are given or not. Android 12 style, go into clock, there are widgets pre-installed in this ROM. You can use all the Android 12 widgets here, as you can see on the screen. And into the settings here, you will get all the basic settings like network and internet connection, devices, apps. You will get default apps here, assistant, screen time, unused apps, and special app access you can check out from there. Into the notification, there is bubbles feature available, notification history given, app settings you can change, device and app notification, notification lock screen, sensitive notifications, annoying notifications, and like you can allow notifications, snoozing notification, do not tap icon, blink icon, and enhanced notification. All these options you can enable or disable from here. Coming into the battery, you will get this kind of battery layout. It's simple Android 12 pixel experience type only with ArrowOS. You can see here the battery life, it's good considering the benchmark results. I hope this will get very good battery life, but it's very early to decide. It takes a little bit of time to check out the actual battery performance of the ROM. I'm just guessing based upon the benchmark results. It might get better battery life. And battery saver is also given. You can reduce the refresh rate and you can turn on when charge, turn off when charge. These are the options you get in the battery department. Coming into sounds, all the basic settings are given, including touch vibration. You can enable or disable all the things you can enable or disable from here. Mi sound enhancer is also given. You can enable from here, choose the headphone type and preset. Those direct sound settings are included in the ROM, including with clear speaker is also added in this ROM. Coming into display settings and adaptive brightness, as I said, it's a little bit acting a little bit bad here. I mean, it's not accurately doing the auto brightness, but overall it's good. Just 5 to 10% it's bad. Apart from that, it's good. And dark theme, let me enable the dark theme. This is how the dark theme is given. Here it's looking pitch black only, not up to the level, but overall it's good. And colors you can choose here. Night light is given, and minimum refresh rate and maximum refresh rate are included. Tap to wake is given. LCD features are also included. These are the display parameters. Wallpapers and style I already explained. Accessibility, you get accessibility menu. You can enable from here. Handy feature to enable the power, brightness, volume without using the volume buttons and without sliding down. You can use it, which is a handy feature to have in a Android 12 ROMs. Extra dim, dark theme, vibration and haptic feedback, audio adjustment. From here you can adjust those things. This is coming to accessibility menu. And security, you get just fingerprint unlock, no face unlock, no app lock. It's also fine, working fine. The security, the fingerprint scanner, only option to unlock the smartphone. And system settings, you get gestures. As you can see, 3-button navigation. If you want, you can keep the gesture navigation from here. Left edge, right edge, and gesture bar you can enable or disable. There is no option to increase the bar length and radius. These are the options you get in these settings. Updater has been given, but I recommend to use flash through recovery. Whenever you need to flash around, use the recovery. This is how the ArrowOS, and without wasting any time, let's see the BGMI gameplay and what all the settings we get in this ROM. And this is how the BGMI settings you get. Let me show you into the graphics. Smooth plus ultra, and if you want you can keep HD and high. That is the basic settings you get for Poco X. If you want you can use GFX tool to enable the 60 FPS. As we see in the benchmark result, it was not that good in terms of Geekbench at least. But actual performance is not such bad. It's just a benchmark result. And the volume panel you can check out. I kept it almost 100%. Okay, I thought touch was not working at that time, but it's working. Okay, it's fine. Once you enable smooth plus extreme, then you can get even better gameplay. No lag whatsoever. Okay, I will come back, and this is how the performance on this ArrowOS and I hope I explained everything. If you want, you can use GFX tool to improve BGMI, but definitely it's not a gaming ROM or anything like that. And camera also you can use any G components, plenty are available for Poco X3. And this is my review on the Poco X3 ArrowOS with January latest security patch and January 19th build. And thank you for watching, guys, and this is the recent apps you get. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.